In 1956, Benjamin Bloom, along with a committee of educators, developed the framework known as Bloom's Taxonomy. This framework includes 6 levels, usually seen as a pyramid, that serve to develop higher-order thinking skills. The levels increase in complexity, meaning each must be mastered before the next level can be reached. In 2001, Lauren Anderson, once a student of Bloom, and David Krathwohl, a partner in the creation of the original taxonomy, published a revision of Bloom's taxonomy. The revision is a two-dimensional framework, knowledge and cognitive processes. The knowledge dimension representing factual, conceptual, procedural, and metacognitive knowledge. The sequence of the 6 cognitive processes are not as rigid as the original taxonomy. Since thinking is an active process, the nouns were changed to verbs, which also makes it easier to develop learning objectives. You'll also notice that the synthesis and evaluation levels were flipped. Let's go over the type of thinking that takes place at each level. When remembering, students recall knowledge from memory. Understanding is constructing meaning from oral, written, or graphic information. Applying is carrying out or using a procedure in given situations. Analyzing is breaking material or concepts into parts, determining how they relate to one another or to an overall structure. Evaluating is making judgments based on criteria or standards. Creating is putting elements together to form a coherent or functional whole. Here's an example of how Bloom's taxonomy can be used to develop learning activities. At the remembering level, students can match pictures of the characters from the book Harry Potter with their names. At the understanding level, students can explain how Harry felt at the beginning of the book. At the applying level, students predict how Harry will solve a problem in the next chapter. At the analysis level, students can compare and contrast Harry Potter and Ron Weasley. At the evaluation level, students decide if Harry acted as a good friend to Ron and justify their reasoning. At the creating level, students can create an original character and explain how they would fit into the story. Thanks for watching.